In today's video, I will walk you through how to sell crypto on Crypto.com exchange. To get started, open the Crypto.com exchange app and wait for the main screen to load. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see the list of cryptocurrencies that you currently have in your account. At the top of the screen, you'll also see the chart section. This is where you'll begin the process of selecting the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Tap on the chart section at the top of the screen. This will open the list of available trading pairs and allow you to search for a specific cryptocurrency. Tap on the search field and type the name of the cryptocurrency you want to sell. In this example, search for SUI. Once it appears in the search results, tap on it to open the trading page for that cryptocurrency. After the trading page opens, look for the sell option and tap on it. You will now see several different order types that can be used when selling your cryptocurrency. For this tutorial, leave the order type set to market order. This will place the sell order using the current market price. With the market order selected, continue to the amount section. Here, choose how much of your cryptocurrency you want to sell. You can enter a specific amount manually if you only want to sell part of your balance. If you want to sell everything you currently have, simply select your entire balance. After selecting the amount, review the information shown on the screen. Make sure the cryptocurrency you selected is correct and confirm that the amount matches what you want to sell. Once everything looks correct, tap the Sell button. The button will display the name of the cryptocurrency you're selling. So in this example, it will show Sell SUI. The app will process your order using the current market price. Wait a few moments while the transaction is completed. Once the order has been processed successfully, you'll receive a confirmation message showing that your cryptocurrency has been sold. At this point, the sale is complete, and your selected cryptocurrency has been successfully sold through the Crypto.com exchange app. If you need to sell a different cryptocurrency in the future, you can simply repeat the same process by selecting another asset from the search results, choosing the sell option, leaving the order type as market order, if that's your preference, selecting the amount, and confirming the transaction. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to sell cryptocurrency on the Crypto.com exchange app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.